In this episode, we will talk about the return chart in the delivery performance chart tab. That how many products that were sold, that were delivered, but were then returned. We have two options in the raw data. One is that either product is returned or either product is not returned. And we have set the target of 8%. You can have your own target, but here this chart will show this white portion will show the return part, and this not filled part with only the white borders. This part will show that these products are not returned. So 83% are not returned, but we are only concerned with the return part. And we can using this customer success dashboard, we can analyze that in which year the products returns, how many returns are 28%. We are showing it in percentage in 9%, close to 8%. And also we can check the product wise also. So this is such type of interactive chart that we can check that how many products were returned and in which area returned, in which customer acquisition type this product were returned, what is the percentage. So we can check each and everything based on this product return. And so this is watch this episode till the end, and also watch the previous episode that how we have built the sales chart, the map chart, the delivery chart. And in the upcoming episode we are also we will also be creating the customer acquisition and the slicers and different other the customer satisfaction chart. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Ishtiaq Khan and welcome to Grow with Ishtiaq Khan YouTube channel. In this channel, we will talk about opportunities and growth and how you can put your creativity on the table and how you can represent your creativity in front of your boss or client to create a long-lasting impression. So if you are a student, fresh graduate, early level professional in the early phase of your career, or a mid-level professional, then this platform is just for you. So in this episode, we are talking about creating the delivery, the return performance chart, that how many products were returned when delivered, how many products were returned, and how many were not returned. And we are showing this white portion is showing the performance of the return, that how many products were returned in each of the like 70% returns. We can check the year wise, we can check the, it's really interactive chart. And it will change along with the products and these things. So we will learn to create such type of interactive return performance chart in Microsoft Excel. So how we can create such type of chart? So let's see. First of all, we will create a sheet and we'll give it the name, with name is this sheet as return performance. Then after the return performance, we will then insert the pivot table. We have already created the data table, and which is called the sales data. And then all the fields in the sales data will appear here. We are going to create a pivot table, and what we need the return in the rows. And we need count of the products that were returned and that were not returned. We have only two options, yes or no. We now it's showing the revenue, sum of revenue, but we know the count because we need the count of the products. It doesn't mean that you also only need the revenue. As I mentioned in the previous video, you can also count the units, you can count the price. So it means that out of 5780 products, 963 were returned and 4817 products were not returned. Customer was satisfied with it. They're not opted for the return. Now we only need the percentage of the return products because we need to calculate the return performance, that how many products were returned. And then we can analyze it, why returned, where these products were returned, in which state, what was the customer acquisition type, and these things. So we need to calculate the percentage of the how many products were returned, and click here and then divide by the total number of count of the products, and it's 16%, and we can convert it into percentage. So it's around 17%. 17 products were returned. Now we need to create the pivot chart, and how we can create, and you can go to the analyze and pivot chart, and we need, again I need the donut type of chart that's looking really impressive look, and then click and then delete all the buttons. Also I do not need this, but let's, and then now this is the return performance chart. 17% of the products were returned, 83% of the products were not returned. Now, uh, along with this, now I need to represent here, like I have shown it to you in the dashboard, that I need to represent the percentage, show the percentage of the returns in any of any product, in any phase or in any year, and I want to, that's the center, in the center there should be the percentage of the returns. So how can I achieve this? How can I do this? So I can do this using the text box, and it should be the content in the text box should be interactive, along with if the data in the raw data table, in the data table changes, then it should also change. And how can I do this? I did it in the previous video also. It's the same. Just click on the formula bar, appear the formula bar, and then click on the text box, click here, refer this cell data, and it will be shown like its reference, it's inside the pivot table is data being shown. Now after the pivot table data is shown, then increase the size to 32 and line to middle and center. So that's our purpose has been issued, and we need to delete this also. You do not need this legend also. So how we can achieve, how we can create such type of chart, and we will go with some other formatting in the, when we are finalizing our design for the dashboard. So let's leave it to it. And so there are 17% of the products that were uh, returned, and 83% were not returned. So that's the return performance chart for you. And in the upcoming episodes, we will talk about creating some more amazing charts, like the a more amazing chart, like customer acquisition type chart, customer satisfaction chart, how we can create this. And then we will create the slicers also. We will how we will talk about how we can modify the slicers, and we create our custom slicers, and how you can design those slicers, how you can create those slicers. And at the end we will also have an episode about finalizing the design of the customer success dashboard. We have already created this dashboard design, and then we will finalize the design for this dashboard. We'll paste all the charts here, and then it will have a really good look, like we want, like we need for our data. And that will be your dashboard, customer success dashboard for you. So that's all about this episode. And watch the previous episode, and also wait for the subscribe, follow this series till the end, for the upcoming episode that we are going we are bringing you in on this platform, Grow with Ishtiaq Khan. And my goal is to become you, to make you the data magician. So become data magician with Ishtiaq, and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified of all the videos that I'm bringing to you in this channel. So if you want to move your career to the next level, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, Grow with Ishtiaq Khan, and press the bell icon to get notified of all the videos that I'm posting on this channel. Also, this channel will bring you the videos related to career and personal development, learning new skills, and how you can transform yourself to grow and attract next big opportunity that is waiting for you. So share these videos with your friends and colleagues, because sharing is caring. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned.